This is a washdown-rated, automatic weight price labeling system for large meat packages. A customer needed a system to apply one top label and one bottom label at industry standard speeds. This system is one of the only weight price labeling systems on the market that can quickly weigh and label large packages while in motion. In addition, this system can label primals on a heavy washdown processing floor directly after a vacuum sealing machine. This system will transform how you do weight price labeling. Large packages exit a vacuum sealing machine and proceed onto the pacing conveyor of the weight price labeling system. Next, the infeed conveyor will pull an equal gap between the packages by speeding each one up. This ensures that only one package is on the conveyor scale during the weighment process. The conveyor scale then weighs the package and sends the weight information to the controller. The package proceeds onto the labeling conveyor. Next, a top weight price label with date, barcode, and other information is applied. Finally, a bottom label is applied and the package continues to the next downline process. Here are just a few of the features of this system. Our 3/16 inch thick stainless steel frame construction is built to be one of the sturdiest in the industry. The rigid frame reduces scale vibration and maintains an aesthetic appearance that stays pristine for years. The washdown capability of this system allows it to be placed directly after a vacuum packaging machine, permitting more efficient operations and less handling. Your plant can have labeled, marketable primals directly after the sealing machine with no need to transport to a different area of the plant for processing. Whereas most weight price labeling system platforms are about 10 to 12 inches wide and a max 24 inches long, this scale platform is 16 inches wide and 36 inches long. This ensures we can handle large products such as pork roasts, spare ribs, and more. Conveyor speeds are easy to set up, adjust, and store in the product setup menu. For maximum throughput between long and short products, conveyor speed changes are necessary and are automatically changed when POUs are changed. A safety feature of this system is that if someone were to get caught between the belts, a current overload will trip and stop the conveyor motors, preventing injury. Our conveyor scale design allows the weighing process to occur in motion, which significantly reduces the wear on components versus other systems that must stop the product on the scale to get a weight. This system is controlled by an ergonomic 17-inch touchscreen Scale Data System, or SDS, controller. The controller executes all functions of this weight price labeling system and records data in an Ethernet-accessible SQL database. The daily total screen shows different product runs and outlines product count and total product weight being labeled. The touchscreen can be rotated or tilted during product setup or product runs to accommodate varying worker height. The touchscreen can also be rotated to almost any position that is convenient for the operator. An included transparent draft shield allows product visibility while keeping error-inducing drafts off of the scale. The top printer applicator labels packages at industry standard speeds and capacities. The top printer is contained inside a NEMA 4X enclosure with a view window so that operators can see the label stock status. The printer can be raised or lowered depending on package height and also rotated to ensure proper label placement. These user-settable blue clamps are product height indicators, allowing the user to return the labeling unit to an ideal height for labeling. The lowest is for ribs, next highest is for pork shoulders, and so on. The bottom label is applied via this label conveyor, which matches the speed of the product during the application to ensure accurate placement. This also ensures the label adheres securely to the underside of the package. The design approach of this unit ensures you stay operational in harsh washdown environments and repairs are affordable when needed. Contact us today to learn more about how we can reduce the hassles of weight price labeling. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to receive notifications of our latest videos. Check out our newly updated website and follow us on Facebook or Twitter. Links are in the description. If you have questions or comments, mention them below.